I still remember the third grade and the present that Santa brought. It was exactly the prize that my eager eyes had sought. Well, it wasn't the most expensive or exotic choice, but it was a well-thought-out wish to Santa that I'd voiced. I needed a pair of roller skates. They would save my Sunday afternoon. You see, that was the day that we went to visit Graham, and though we loved her so, at Graham's we'd just sit there in a room. No toys, no games, no TV, just sit and talk until you could stand it no more, and then maybe take a little walk. But everywhere were sidewalks, just waiting. And if I had the right equipment, I'd sure be off and skating. Those roller skates were the old adjustable kind. You changed them with a key, and they truly did hold the key to hours and hours of fun for my brother George and me. In front of Graham's house was this block-long hill, and we'd start at the top and roll down in a rushing thrill. Well, back at school after Christmas break, everyone was asked to say in front of the class what gifts we'd got from Santa on Christmas Day. And when I tried to explain about my wonderful new skates, the class reaction was that the present wasn't expensive enough to qualify as great. I remember I tried with little success to tell them how happy I felt, but somehow they just didn't hear, felt sorry for me and the hand I'd been dealt. They never could see that wonder is in the eye of he who beholds, and my Christmas couldn't have been better if given a sleigh full of gold. Those old roller skates sure were svelte and swift, and when I was in the third grade for Christmas, I received the perfect gift.